Go yard. I got so much motherfucking design on right now.
Break it down, bring it back, make it clap. I got 3 old thoughts, new block, where that thing. Bitches on my line, and you know they come straight. Hold up, what it not, 45, scope it cash like whoa. How you fucking with these hoes up?
Let's use hand sanitizer to start. The next step is to clean the laptop from dust first using a laptop cleaner. First, open your laptop, then press the power button. Next, wait until the process finishes. Finally, your laptop is turned on. The second step, right-click on the touchpad buttons, then click refresh twice. Third step, point the cursor to the bottom right, then set the lighting. Step 4. Set the network connection to connect to the internet. Fifth step, you are connected to the internet and can use Chrome or Mozilla Firefox. Click the Windows button at the bottom left-hand corner of your screen. Click Shutdown. If you left any program running or document open, you will get a notification to close them. You have the option Cancel and Save Down or Force Shutdown. Now your computer is off.